Welcome back to Moving Meditation. In the first lesson, you learned and practiced the first 8 steps. During the practice, Lectio Divina was introduced. Now that's just the ancient practice of Christian meditation on Scripture, and I'll talk more about that in the future. In Lesson 2, you'll learn the last 4 steps, and you'll practice those as well. Now be sure that you've got on comfortable clothing and secure footwear, and let's begin. Step 9. Shift your weight to the left. Move your right foot to the right. Now imagine your arms are the hands of a clock. Let your right arm descend as your left arm rises. Step 10. Lift your right toes. Now rotate your right hip open. Left heel lifts. Gently shift your weight onto the right. Simultaneously, your right hand sweeps past your chin and your left elbow bends. Step 12. Step back foot to front, extending both arms. Settle. And now, just like we did in Lesson 1, let's practice steps 9 through 12 repeatedly to solidify the flow. When this new movement has become familiar and your muscle memory carries the pattern with ease, hear these words from St. Paul. And just as in Lesson 1, as you continue the movement, notice the contrast between now and then. Now I know in part, but then shall I know even as also I am known. Now I know in part, but then shall I know even as also I am known. In Lesson 3, we will begin practicing moving meditation as one continuous flow. For now, deepen your practice of these last 4 steps. Give your body time to absorb these movements. A strong foundation in these final 4 steps will allow the complete sequence to unfold with greater ease, confidence, and presence. Now I know in part, but then shall I know even as also I am known.